Is your Android screen suddenly black and white, or do you want to enable grayscale on purpose? I will show you the exact color setting and the related mono audio control. Start on the home screen, swipe up, open Settings, scroll down, and tap Accessibility. Inside Accessibility, tap Visibility Enhancements, find Color Adjustment and open it. This page includes a master switch plus different color correction choices. Grayscale is the option that removes color from the display, so select Grayscale before using the switch at the top. Turn the color adjustment switch on and the screen changes to grayscale. Turn the switch off to restore normal color. If your phone became black and white unexpectedly, check this page and make sure the master switch says off. The selected grayscale choice can remain listed without affecting the display while that switch is off. Color inversion is a separate option on the Visibility Enhancements page. Inversion reverses light and dark colors, while grayscale removes color. If the display looks like a photo negative, check Color Inversion. If everything simply looks black and white, check Color Adjustment and Grayscale instead. For audio, go back to Accessibility and open Hearing Enhancements. Find Mono Audio, turn it on to play the same sound through both left and right channels, then turn it off for normal stereo separation. The left and right sound balance below it is another separate control and does not apply to phone calls. Here is the complete path again. Open Settings, tap Accessibility, choose Visibility Enhancements, and open Color Adjustment. Select Grayscale and use the master switch to turn the black and white effect on or off. Use Color Inversion only when you want colors reversed. For sound, return to Accessibility, open Hearing Enhancements, and toggle Mono Audio. Leave Color Adjustment off to keep normal color, leave Mono Audio off for stereo, and keep the balance centered unless you need an accessibility adjustment. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Android guides.